Here we go, Michelle. See, Michelle never got to see the first time we went to Daddy's house.
Oh my god.
This is it. This is it all over again.
Well, slow down, because I want to get all this.
Would you like to stand out the thing?
No.
Man, the old Impala right there.
Oh, this guy right here,
Yeah.
he's got like 3 antique cars. This guy, we called him Chicken George. He had a chicken that was his pet. Look at this.
That's a total loss.
Death toll in Tuscaloosa, 36.
Why the hell to keep hitting? I mean, this is too weird.
Because it's tornado.
Yeah, well, they're on a hill, too.
It just comes up over the backside of that hill and comes straight down, and then goes out that way because the drag strip is hit. I don't know what Mom and Daddy and them are doing up here, but we could.
This will enable us to pump more water into our distribution system and keep the pressure going in East Tuscaloosa.
Alright, you can go a little faster.
Before we're able to reestablish the water.
Yeah, I can see the wind on the top of the house.
Yeah.
And sanitary reasons, it's also an issue of
Dang it. It's pretty clean up there.
That house never
Tornadoes
gets
are weird like
touched.
that, man.
It just depends on where you sit. Like Ricky Rockefeller, their house, they never get touched really. Fucking going, don't mean. I fucking live here, dumbass. You kids are running around here. Dumbasses behind me, they can fucking kiss my ass.
Wow.
What about those folks just below your parents? I remember one time that house got cleaned right off the slab.
Yeah, they.
Okay, wait. Slow down.
Michelle, you can get out here and walk, dude.
12 o'clock at St. Bernard's Episcopal Church in Scotland.
Remember, this house was just built right here, Michelle.
Yeah, I know.
There's Jan and Butch's house.
Oh my god, Jan's house is just demolished.
Remember, they didn't get bad at all. There's Jan right there.
Hey!
Jesus Christ.